In this video, I'm going to show you an experiment with a heavy ball, a beanbag, and some random small objects. I'm going to put some random objects around the edges of this beanbag and drop that heavy ball into the middle of the beanbag. Now, what I am hoping will happen is that when I drop the heavy ball into the middle of the beanbag, the objects around on the edges of it will be sprung out. So with the beanbag, I am going to take the top of it, pull it up, and spin it around. This would make all of the stuff in the beanbag move into one place, and there would be less space in the bag for the stuff inside to move around. Now I am going to fold this bit down and turn it upside down. So now we have a relatively flat surface to put the objects around it. Now, when I was testing this experiment before I started filming, I found that it is best to not have the beanbag too tight, so the stuff inside can still move around a little bit. Also, it works best when we push down the sides or edges of it and have the middle of it bulging out. So now I have pat down the sides of this beanbag, and you can see that the middle of it is bulging up. Okay, so now I have put 4 plastic bottles around the sides of this beanbag, and we are going to see what happens if I drop this heavy ball into the middle of the beanbag. Now, as I said, I am hoping that when I drop the heavy ball into the center of the beanbag, the objects around it will get flung up into the air. When I drop the heavy ball into the center of the beanbag, the stuff inside it will get compressed and then get pushed out to the sides. When it moves to the sides of the bag will quickly expand and push the bottles away. I think I have heard people say that on sofas or mattresses, when one person is sitting on it and another person suddenly jumps on it, the first person will get sprung up. The stuff inside of the mattress or sofa will compress and make the person who is already sitting on the sofa or mattress go up. So that inspired me to do this experiment. Okay, now I should be ready to drop the ball onto the beanbag. Okay, so in the slow motion shot, you could see the heavy ball pushing the stuff in the beanbag out to the sides, and the plastic bottles being pushed out into the air. 3 of the plastic bottles got pushed into the air and went off the beanbag, but one of them has mostly stayed where it was. That's interesting. Okay everyone, this has been an interesting experiment, and I will talk to you in the next video.